Hey, what's up guys? This is Nick with Sellers Arena here, and I just wanted to hop into Helium10 and talk a little bit about keyword ranking and the importance of that in relation with your pay-per-click advertising efforts or any other like promotion efforts that you might be doing for your products in Amazon FBA. I also want to just highlight one of the relatively new features that they have in Helium10 versus other keyword ranking trackers that we've seen, and that is this relative rank. So you can actually add in your competitors. So if we look at this column here where it says competitors, you can actually add in ASINs of our top competitors in our niche. And then we can see how we're ranking versus those top competitors. All right, so this is gonna be really important. Again, not only this, but also just seeing where you rank overall organically and the trend, just so you can see if you are spending on your advertising and your goal is to grow the account. It may seem like in the short run it's very unprofitable. This can help you give you perspective to actually show you that your spend is actually going towards something good. You are actually growing on Amazon. It just may be unprofitable right now, but if you can actually see that rank moving up organically, in the end it will pay off. Now, some other just really cool things to review within Helium10 that I like. We actually look at this rank tracker. We can actually track those ASINs, all 6 of them, including our own, over time, okay? And when you begin tracking within Helium10, so that's another cool feature. Again, we can do that, and we can even turn those off if we need to see one a little more clearly, okay? So that's an important thing to note and really helpful. Another thing is if you are running some promotions or running some really aggressive PPC on a specific keyword or keywords, and you want to track more closely, a little more accurately, you can go over here and give those specific keywords a boost, and you'll be actually able to track those on an hourly basis. So, if you're doing something over a couple of days, maybe you want to get a little more granular with your rank tracking during that time. All right, guys, so just a few things here, just a quick video, some things to keep in mind. And if you haven't tried Helium10 to, jump in, sign up for a trial, check it out. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And yeah, until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.